is Nicole, and I'm the CEO and the manager of Kandi. Girls, as you see, we live life bright and colored. And we're a little bit sweet and a little bit sad.
Girl, you need your makeup done. I'm saying, ooh, I got you. Girl, sit down in my chair. I'm saying, look, I got you. I want you to look real good. I'm saying, ooh, I got you. Enhance beauty inside of you. I'm saying, look, I got you. Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm Stylist John. I'ma shake your hand. Have a seat in my makeup chair. Sanitize my hands. What's the look that you going for? What color is your pants or the dress? The outfit that you model, yes. Clean your face, moisturize it next. Then put primer on. I'ma start with foundation first. Do you have your own? If you don't, I'ma use mine. I'ma match your tone from your neck all around your face. I'ma put it on. I can